Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a PR haul. As you guys could see, my background has changed once again because I did move again. So if you guys want to keep up with my life, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. That's where I update most of you guys. I got a new job as well, so if you guys want to know all about that, follow me on TikTok as well because I've been vlogging the experience. But yeah, I didn't let my packages stack up too much because I don't want to make a mess here. But anyways, let's go ahead and open some packages. I am going to be doing like a first impression of everything. I have not touched any of the boxes or opened anything, so let's see what we got. First up, we have a Benefit, and look how cute this box is. So it says, "You have been fluffed." So this is their new Fluff Up Brow Wax. So that's what it looks like. It kind of looks like their regular brow gel. And then they also sent a brow pencil as well, the Precisely My Brow. And so we got that little duo. I have no idea. Oh, it says Live Tinted. I'm not sure what brand this is. Okay, so this is the Meet the Super Hue Duo for dark circles and hyperpigmentation. So there's a why am I having such a hard time saying that? A hyperpigmentation serum stick and also a brightening eye cream. That's what it looks like. I love the packaging. So I wonder how you use this. This is so interesting. A stick. I'm actually using this Skin Proud eye cooling stick and I really like it. So I like me some sticks. Ooh, almost broke a nail. Smells like skincare. Interesting. I'm definitely gonna lift this up and try them out. Ooh, it's Kaja Beauty. So they sent over their Jelly Charms. It's a lip blush and glaze keychain stain. So that is what they look like right there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see these. Let's open one. They sent a lot of different colors. Oh my god, these are so I'm definitely gonna have to do a TikTok on these. But this is the little keychain. And then you just hook it right here. And then this is the actual product. And like I said, they sent tons of different colors. So look out for a TikTok on these because they're so cute. Definitely have to do one. The next package is from Koki Cosmetics. Happy New Year. These are the Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadows to kick off your 2023. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, they look like the Stila ones. So they sent all these different colors. They're really chromy of liquid eyeshadows, so super pretty. This next one is from Beauty Creations. So cute and pink. Are these eyelashes? Oh yay, I'm so excited because I need new eyelashes. So we got like sets. No Sippin' set, which looks like this. And then the Lost in something. Not sure what that says. But here are the lashes. Super cute. And then we got these kits, Kiss and Tell. It's a lip duo. And it looks like it's a really pretty nude color in Hey Shawty and Shy Girl. Super cute. And then an Always and Forever lip duo. And the color is My Ride or Die. Also really pretty, really orangey. This is Go Beyond Smooth with Versed. I love Versed skincare. Ooh, this is gonna be satisfying if I don't break a nail. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's see what they sent. Looks like it's something for your body. Buff It Out AHA Exfoliating Body Scrub. Nice. You guys know with my new job, I have to wear short shorts, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. Now we have Makeup Revolution. I see a Disney box. I don't know why they put a box inside of a box, but here we are. No way! They They sent me a Minnie Mouse headband. I love little headbands to do my makeup with. Look. Oh my god. This is adorable. Minnie Mouse. Oh, it's a collaboration with her. Okay. Look how freaking adorable this headband is. Oh my god. Okay. Then it also came with, what is this? A face and shadow palette. Oh my gosh, so cute. Lots of glitters, and it looks like highlighters. Let's see, where's my knife? Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Look at this. It looks like a little book. Oh, they're so sparkly. Cute. So it came with like a lip gloss set, I believe. Yeah, red, pink, and like sparkly. And then what is this? Oh, little brushes, I think. A little brush set. And this cute, adorable little bag. And then these are blushes. Look at the packaging. They're like blush duos. So cute. Next package is from Pixie Beauty. Oh my gosh, I hate these little things. But it looks like we got a whole skincare set. I don't know where to put these. Clarity collection. Ooh, I need this because I've been breaking out so bad lately. So it came with a cleanser, a tonic, a clarifying serum, a lotion, and a zero zit spot solution. I can't wait to try this. This is what everything looks like. Just whack myself in the face, why don't you? Next up we have Ipsy. Cute little pink bag. Ooh, we have some Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. I actually have this. I have this exact palette. So definitely saving that for a giveaway. Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. So a little spray for skincare. We got this little palette. Oh, that's a very light blush, but it's cute. It looks like those Charlotte Tilbury ones. We got a little lip kit in here. This cute little Valentine's Day brush. Look at that. My nails are also Valentine's Day, if you guys couldn't tell. Super cute. I want to see what's in the little bag. We got a volume mascara. Oh, what is this? Grown, what? Gentle Gel Cleanser. A little gloss, and then these two tubes. Clinique and Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And that was everything. That's a lot of stuff I don't know the brands of, but it's cute or whatever. What is this from? I don't know. We shall see. Oh, it's from Lottie London. More of this stupid paper. Let me put it in here. Oh my god, another cute box. A Valentine's Day one. I'm making such a mess, guys. Okay, so here it is. Look how freaking cute. What is it? What is it? Wait, how do you open this? I don't want to mess it up. Okay. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. So we got 2 palettes and it looks like a whole bunch of lip products as well. Look how cute. Of course I would drop something. Next up we have ColourPop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like it's a whole collection of these like fairies. So, oh my god, they sent so much. Okay, so we have little jewels. And then it looks like lip products to go with each fairy. So cute. I'm gonna keep this all in this box because I'll probably honestly give it to my little cousins. And then we even got a little palette as well. And yeah, got some glitter, some body glitter. We got BoxyCharm next. So in here we have an Elemis Ginseng toner. For dehydrated dry skin. Then this Wander palette, which is sealed. I don't want to open it because I have so many palettes, guys. I do not need to keep this. And then we got like a Live Craft Beauty, Farrah, and Persona E-Balm. Honestly, I'm getting kind of bored of BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Don't tell anybody. Okay, last stack. I'm really excited for Caudalie because I love Caudalie, so let's see. I have TikTok songs stuck in my head because I was practicing TikTok dances this morning because they just look so fun. I'm like, I'm gonna learn these just because. Okay, so meet the new Premier Crew, the Rich Cream. Ooh. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So it's one product. Yeah, and so already ready the name. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, fancy. This is really heavy. That's what it looks like. What does it do exactly? Probably just moisturizes, you know. Yeah, moisturizer, you know. Which one is this one from? We don't know. Another surprise. Oh, it's from that tinted brand again. Ooh, they sent so much orange. Look at all this orangeness. So cute. So we got not one, but 2 tinted headbands. We love that. And then what is this? We have some copper under eye mask. Oh, that's cute. They look like little suns. Then we have a 3-in-1 mineral sunscreen moisturizer primer SPF 30. Oh my god, so it's like an all-in-one. I can't wait to try that. Then we have this face and body, I think it's like a highlighter. Yeah, that's the color Dusk. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a little squeeze bottle. Let's see the color. That's pretty. It's pretty, pretty. This packaging reminds me of Dior. You see it? Oh yeah, that's nice. Especially in the summer. Heck yeah. And you can even put that on your chest. Ooh, so pretty. I like it. This one is a hyperpigmentation serum stick. Oh, so they sent that again. And then a lip gloss in the color Brilliant. Ooh, it kind of looks like that highlighter we just tried. And last but not least, we got a clear setting gel for your brows. Right, next package. How has y'all's winter been going? It's been so freaking cold. I'm ready for summer already. So this is from Skin Proud. And they sent their Sorbet Skin Jelly Moisturizer, which I already have this, so probably save that for a giveaway. And a Face Melt Gentle Hydrating Cleansing Balm. Can never have too many makeup removers. Next is from, I think, Lottie London, but I'm not sure. Yes, I was right. So they sent another palette. This looks like it's more yellowy browns. Then we got their stamp liner with the little wing. A clear gloss. This is a fat, juicy gloss. And then a mascara. We got another Ipsy box. Oh my god, look at this little bag. I love it. It's super furry. Ooh, we got some NARS in here. a velvet matte lip pencil. The rest is kind of boring. I did open this one already. I forgot about this one. But we got a milk mascara, Hey Honey recovery mask, some Tarte moisturizer, this brand I don't know, Fleur & B Nectar Vitamin C, and some lip gloss. Sorry, I'm like kind of fast with those, but if I've opened it already, I'm just like, okay, we've done that. Okay, next up, looks like Ipsy again. Oh no, I'm not Ipsy. I was meaning to say Lottie London, but it's not Lottie London either. It's Sayate London. Oh, they both have London in the name. That's funny. Okay, so this is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Ooh, fancy. I can't wait to try that. Then we got a little palette right here, which I'm not going to open. And what is this? A bronzer. Oh, I love their bronzers. I used their bronze. Oh no, it was Lottie London, not Sayate London. I'm getting them confused now. Let's see what this bronzer looks like. Oh, it shows everything right here. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that primer. It looks so nice. And there's the palette if you guys want to see it. But yeah, that's basically what the bronzer looks like too. The packaging is so fancy. Oh my god. That's pretty. I like her. I love bronzer. Then we got this dewy blush. So it's a cream or like a squeeze tube blush. Nice. Last package. This looks all beat up too. It looks like someone opened it and then retaped it. That's weird. Did I open it? I opened it. I forgot. Oh my gosh, because I sent this a long time ago and I was looking for something when I moved. Oh, eyeliner. And I was like, oh my god, I did not pack eyeliner. So I opened like all my PR, or not all my PR, but like some PR boxes to see if they sent eyeliner. But anyways, this is from OFRA and it's their new concealer. And they sent me all the colors so I could find my perfect color. My best friend actually just bought this concealer and she used my code. I do have a code with OFRA if you guys didn't know. It's BritanyRaquell to save 20% off. But I'm so excited to try this concealer. I love trying new concealers. Okay, how do you open this? Okay. Ooh, these are like really light colors. Wow. Huh. I don't know if these will match me. Oh my god. I have to find at least one that matches, right? They just look super pale. They should be all right. Maybe it's the packaging. But look, they sent all these different ones. Very neutral and cool undertoned. And then a little sponge as well. So I can't wait to try this. I'll let you guys know if I like it. Alrighty guys, now that I made a complete mess, that was everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that all I post now is like PR hauls. But like I said, times are tough, so I had to get a job. So now I'm doing 2 jobs basically, social media and also a regular 9-to-5 job. But I post a lot of makeup content and fashion content on my TikTok. You guys know that is where I'm the most active. So make sure you guys go follow me and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.